In early 2020, the COVID pandemic impacted the United States, and as the virus transitioned through the country, it found itself at the doorstep of James L. West in Fort Worth. The heightened sense of awareness led our organization to protect our residents, our healthcare workers, and the community at large.
The UVC technology has been around for like 75 years in our water treatment plants, also in air conditioning. What it does, it changes the DNA of a COVID virus. It breaks it down so it can't reproduce. The chamber that has the UVC technology, where you would implement it by putting it in your laptop, your keys, your glasses, a pen, anything that can fit in a small box. Secondly, we brought in the foot sanitizer. In a healthcare environment, 50% of healthcare-acquired viruses are usually traipsed in off people's feet. We have a foot sanitizer at every entrance in this facility we implemented. Thirdly, we brought in a small tower that we can wheel into a small bathroom or a small room. The king machine of all is the UVD robot. It's an autonomous machine that runs after we mapped out the facility with its sensors, set disinfection points, and the housekeeping staff can literally send it to a room and then run the robot autonomously without actually entering the room.
These UV technologies help us fight all viruses and bacteria, not just COVID. So nursing centers have historically had flu outbreaks and C. diff and MRSA and these types of infections, and the UV technology will help us battle those as well. So being the first is an honor. It's also humbling. We are grateful to the CARES Act money and the City of Fort Worth for providing us that ability to have this suite of technology.
When I saw the price of the robots, I was like, whoa, that's a lot of money. I don't know if we can get that approved or not. But I did my own research, and once I did that research, I realized how good those robots could be for a facility like this. I went directly to my boss, and she went to her director and said, hey, we need to make sure that we get this for their facility, because this could really help with the population that they have.
This technology, it really helps James L. West be the employer of choice for our team, as well as our residents and families bringing their loved ones into this setting, just because it helps us to give them the confidence that we're doing everything that we possibly can to make sure that they're safe from any infectious diseases that may be transmitted or brought into the building.